Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I just want to show you a brand new Photoshop Canva clone video and image editor clone that I developed in browser using HTML and JavaScript, plain HTML and JavaScript when we have used FFMPEG WebAssembly library in the browser to build this awesome, ultimate, advanced image and video editor software in the browser, which works right in the browser. No server-side code is involved. If you upload your files, it is 100% secure. It works in the browser itself. You will see all these functionalities are there. You will be able to convert from one format to another. All the formats are supported, and you will be able to control the size of the image, compress the size. You can add watermark, crop the image. You can even transform the image, resize the image, rotate the image, add the image watermark, text watermark. This is the actual application, guys. So first of all, let me show you the demo right here. So first of all, as you will select your image file, guys. So as you select the image, it will basically download it. So first of all, in the download directory right here, if you have auto download on, then automatically your file will be downloaded. You can basically, this is the download mode. You can put zip file. It will basically download the output images in a zip file or one by one. If you don't want to auto download, you can simply turn off this option. And these are various settings out there. If you want to toggle off all these settings, let me show you one by one. By default, when you launch the application, it works in the browser. If you see, it is working in the browser. No server-side code is involved. You can directly upload this application to an ordinary hosting, and you can basically earn a lot of money by placing advertisements as well. So the link is given, guys. You can directly purchase the full source code of this application. You will get the zip file after you purchase it from Google Drive. You just need to extract the content which will contain the HTML, CSS and JavaScript code. So let me show you the demo of the application. So by default, this will be selected. And now you just need to select which format you want an image to convert. Let's suppose I want all my images to convert to WebP format. I will simply select this. And now if I select my image like this, if I select this and basically in the download, I will simply turn on this option. So as I select the image, it will automatically download after the processing is done. So now as I select my image, let's suppose I want to convert this image to WebP format, so it will work and automatically your image will be converted to WebP format. You will see that. So in this way, so the next thing is, next thing, guys, is that you will basically see here, we can basically convert to any other format, JPG as well. All these formats are available. GIF file, static GIF file, PNG, WebP animation, GIF animation. You can even convert this to icon as well. Various sizes, 128 by 128, 256 by 256. So if you're developing an application, if you need an icon, you can simply, it will simply convert this into an icon file, whatever image file that you select, and now it has been converted to a 256 by 256 icon. So you can even select, you can see that this file has been reduced from 301 kilobyte to 45 kilobyte. So image compression is also going on, guys. It's a very tremendous application. It also does you, it also compresses your images as well alongside with converting, and it is very good application. And you can basically do it, take your image, it will basically show you a progress bar. After it is done, it will simply download your file automatically. Once it is done, it will simply download. You will see that. So now I will show you some other dependent size as well. You can even control the size as well. You can mention manually as well if you want to mention, or you can select pre-made sizes, 500 width, 500 height. You can even provide scaling as well. And if you want to resize your image to 500 by 500, so it will resize your image to 500 by 500. So now this image is exactly 500 in width and 500 in height. So next thing, you can even control the quality by using the slider. If you want to decrease the quality of the image, if you want to save some size, uh, so you will see this image quality will be slightly degraded. You will see that we have successfully degraded the size from 201 kilobyte to 12.5 kilobyte. You can control all these options, guys, like this. You can even have a fixed size as well. Let's suppose you want a fixed size 100 kilobyte as only. You can toggle this option. So all these advanced, it's an advanced image editor, guys, similar to Canva that you see, and Photoshop. All these functionalities are available right in the browser. It says single page application. It works in the browser. No server side code is involved. And now let me show you the third one, which is transform. So if you want to rotate your image by any angle, let's suppose if I want to rotate my image to 90-degree. So now if I select my image, this image, it will basically rotate my image, and now you can see it will see it is rotated my image by 90-degree. If you want to horizontally flip your image as well, you can also do that as well. So it will horizontally flip your image. You will now see the image is horizontally flipped. So you can see that. So all these options are there, and rotation, flipping. Next option is for adding watermark. So let's suppose if you want to add watermark, guys, it is very easy. Adding text watermark. This is a window will open right here. If you see that, basically, if I want to add my own channel name, Coding Shiksha, so automatically it will show you in the left hand side. It will show you, you can control everything right here, font size as well. If you want to repeat this, you can select the repeat option, open repeat, and now you will see that you can even control that like this. You can see that you can control everything right here. This looks great. So you have seen images using watermark, something like this. You can control this left position, all that stuff. You can see that. So now I can simply save. So now watermark is saved right here. So once I basically apply this to, let's suppose, now if I select my image, so if I open this image now, you will see that, guys, all these watermarks will be added right here. Coding Shiksha that you see right here. Let me just delete this one that I see right here. So two watermarks are there, so I only need one watermark. So I will simply delete the first one. So you will now see all these watermarks will be added right here. If you see that we added this watermark, you can control the orientation of everything by I showed you basically. If you want to add also the image watermark, same goes with it as well. You can control all these functionalities, repeat. You just need to choose a watermark image that will be used. So once you will basically see, so image is larger, so I need to select a small image for this. So what I will say, YouTube logo. (256 by 256). So this logo I will take, guys, for adding watermark. So simply click add, choose your simply file here. So now go to repeat, and basically you can basically place anywhere. It will place it on all the locations if you want, the in the center position, left hand side, all that stuff. If you want here, all that, you can even scale it if you want to decrease the size. Everything you can control, guys, with this editor. It's a tremendous editor. If you have this editor, you can do all the things. You can even, if after purchasing this, you will get full commercial rights of reselling or using this as putting advertisements and earning money. So the link is given. You can directly purchase it from my website. You will get a zip file which will contain all the source code and the actual application. You can see the application tremendous success. You will see that. You can see that. So how it, I think this looks great. You don't need the repeat one. So you can toggle this off. So I just want this watermark to appear in the, so I can simply in the center, sorry, it's in the center, that's all. Click on save. So now if you upload your image now, any image that you upload, you can even do this for multiple images, guys. So just select multiple images, not one single. So now, guys, I'm just talking that if you want to toggle this download option, if you want to have multiple images downloaded, you can basically select multiple images right here. So if I basically now want to select multiple images, I can select here this multiple images. So I've selected all these images. So it will show the progress bar. It will now download a zip file, and now it will open a zip file, and all these screenshots will be a watermark will be added. So you will see that all the images have watermark right at the center position. So you can see bulk watermark you can do with this application, awesome image editor that I developed for you guys in HTML, CSS and JavaScript. The link is given in the description, and also in the next section I will show you it also contain a video recorder built in inside this video editor, Canva and Photoshop editor. It is also having a video editor built in, which allows you to record your videos directly in the browser and saving at WebM file. You will see in the next section. And this is for the watermark, guys. I showed you all these things. You will see that. Now we come to the trim option. If you want to trim the crop the portion, you can even do that as well. You can select the top portion, left portion. This is for trimming or cropping the video. You can do that. You can rename your file as well, original name, number as well. So these are all the settings. And now let me show you a very fun little setting, guys. If you want to have a simple sound, you can basically go to it. You can even control the number of CPUs that it will be using. I have maximum CPUs available, which is CPU cores, which is 8. It is automatically selected. You can also control that also. If you want a sound notification, then you can simply toggle this option on. So now you will get a sound notification when your processing is done.
Job's done.
You can see that job done. A person has spoken these words so that you get a notification that your job is done. So you can now open your result. Awesome application, guys. So the link is given, guys. You can directly purchase it. You will get a simple, you will get a HTML code like this. This will be the HTML, sorry, this will be the code that you will get. This will be the directory structure you will get, guys. If you are interested, the link is given. So you can directly go to the description and purchase this awesome little source code. So thank you guys for watching this, and in the next section in this video I will now in the next section I will show you that video recorder as well. So and as a bonus software, guys, I also develop a video editor, guys, for you, where you can even record your screen as well. Simply click this option, or you can even drag and drop your existing video as well, take screenshots and save it as a PNG or WebP format. If you want to record your screen, simply select entire screen. Let me select, click on share. If you want to also include audio, system audio, so whatever that I'm speaking right here, system audio, you can even include the system audio as well. So toggle this option, click on share. So now it will start recording whatever I'm so you will basically see it will start recording. If I click finish, my video will be generated if you see in the video player, and I can simply, this is the, you can basically, you will see that. So it's a very awesome little application, guys. If you see that video recorder is also there, and you can basically take the screenshot as well in the video. So if you're interested, guys, the link is given in the description. You can directly purchase it. This is the actual software, very good software, Photoshop Canva clone software. Thank you very much for watching this video.